Yo, sick stuff. Sick stuff. Yo. Wonder if we're gonna get a tornado today. Guess we'll see. Whoo! Alright, well that was some aggressive thunder. I think it might be time for me to go inside, because it's getting pretty real out here. Pretty real. Yeah, it's time for some inside. This is July 7th, 2014. We have tornado warning here in Brighton, Massachusetts. Weather is looking like it might produce. Yeah. Look at the clouds just billowing in. They're rolling in like crazy. Wow. Look at this over here. It's this. Yeah, buddy. It's time to go in. Alright. This is me signing off for now. I'm not trying to become tornado bait. Oh, yeah. That's my cue. Rain. Down to the basement I go. Is it still recording? Wow. All right.